This penguin is worth $1 billion in terms of market cap in crypto, of course. This penguin has gone fishing, but it's fishing for a higher market cap. Right now, it's $2 billion market cap. So scrap the 1 billion. We at 2 now, and we're going up from here. So can you still make a profit from the penguin? Absolutely. And we're going to break this down of how much you need to become a profit millionaire, or just profit anyway. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's break this down. This cute little penguin. Look at this. Yes, you can still make money from this. Okay, so right now, $2.2 billion market cap, a little bit over that. And let's say you got about this amount. Let's say, we got about what, 10 million, 5 million, 10 million. Let's say that. Let's just follow that for now. Okay, so that means you got $365,000. But let's back it up. Let's go with the 1 mil. God dang. Let's go with 100,000. Let's go with 100,000, okay? Let's go with 100,000. $3,600. Wow, this penguin is worth a lot. Okay, so let's go to $22 billion market cap as we go up. So let's follow the 100,000. It's worth $35,000, just like that. That sucker went from, look at this, $3,600 to $35,000 as the market cap goes up. This penguin, not from Batman Forever or not from the penguin that you've seen in the movies, is worth a lot of money right now. So as we continue going up in terms of the market cap, $60 billion, that 100,000 is worth $95,000 market cap. Now you know what this means. That means you are getting close to $100,000. That means you may be able to pay your house out or get a better car, an upgraded vehicle in your driveway. Okay, as we go here. Now, if you got more than this in your wallet or your possession, then it's still really good in terms of profit. Because if you got 100,000 or even 500,000, now you're tasting the $1 million range or even just high profit range. So let's say you got 100,000, that's $200,000 market cap or $200,000 in your possession. But if you got 500,000 or more, you're $1 million with that pesky penguin. That's the cute penguin. Penguin from Batman Forever. I'm the millionaire penguin inside your heart. In my heart, in my soul. Because I'm a millionaire with a penguin. Okay, so let's back it up and let's go forward. Let's say you continue. The market cap says, you know what? 2 billion is not enough. 250 billion is our top here. All right, $4 per penguin token. Estimated market cap. You see a lot of zeros. So that means you got 100,000, that worth $400,000. That means you got 500,000 penguins in your possession. That's worth way over $1 million. So now, no one can stop you. I'm unstoppable because I'm a millionaire, because I'm against that penguin. Get penguins everywhere. In your bathroom mirror, even in the kitchen sink. Because you're a millionaire. Now, could this penguin move fast right now? I think it's going to. This year is the year of the penguin. It's a year of a lot of animals. The meme coins, absolutely here. So, follow the penguin, not financial advice. I'm not giving you advice now. I'm actually saying go ahead and follow it at least. In terms of buying and selling it, it's up to you. But the Captain spreadsheet tells you, as the market cap goes up and you're still holding, you're going up too as well, way past the moon. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. This penguin's on fire, and I can't wait to see what happens next. I'll see you in the next video. The captain's out.